Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment down below. So today we're gonna be cooking with me, and I'm going to be making mini chicken and waffle sliders. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit and not make it like the traditional waffles. We're gonna be using cinnamon toast waffles today. Eggo cinnamon toast, so good. And we have the chicken here, some melted butter to put on the waffle. This is a little cooling rack where I'm gonna put the chicken. My oil is heating up. And I have my flour already here with some salt. And then I'm just going to put some buttermilk in this bowl with my egg. And I'm gonna put some panko breadcrumbs in this one. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make mini chicken and waffle sliders. So stay tuned. So we're gonna start with the chicken. We're just gonna take it out of the package and we're gonna cut it into, we're actually gonna cut it in half because I'm making mini, so I don't wanna do the full. So we're gonna cut it in half to make it mini to fit on top of the cinnamon toast Eggo waffles. I decided not to make the waffles handmade because that's just too much work and I'm not feeling it right now. So we're just gonna go from there. I'm gonna take out the fat because I just don't want the fat in it. And then I'm just gonna throw it out. So we already have the flour and the salt mixture put together. I just did that before the video. And now I'm going to do the buttermilk. It's only 1 cup buttermilk and the egg are gonna go together. Just gonna crack the egg in the buttermilk. And then we're just gonna beat it and mix it around. Buttermilk is also super thick. That's why it kind of looks like that. Next, I'm just gonna pour the panko breadcrumbs in. So next we're just gonna take the chicken and put it in the flour, then the buttermilk, and then the panko. Don't do that, you gotta do it gently, or flour's gonna go everywhere. Probably should have used tongs to keep it cleaner, but it's okay. We're just gonna move that to the side. So I usually test out the oil before I put anything in it. So I take some flour, and if it sizzles, that means it's ready. So yeah, that means it's ready. Then I can start cooking the chicken. I'm just gonna cook it on both sides for 3 minutes. I'm gonna use my tongs. And make sure you guys don't overcrowd the pan, because then the oil is gonna get lower and then it ruins the temperature. When you guys see it get golden brown, that's when you flip to the other side. And then the same thing, when the other side is golden brown, that means it's ready. And then when the chicken is all ready, you're gonna put it on this cooling rack that's lined with paper towels so the oil absorbs it. You guys hear that sizzle? So I flipped it, and this is what the side looks like. And now I'm just waiting for the other side to look the same way. So now I put them on the cooling rack. They're just gonna absorb the grease so it's not too greasy and cool down a little bit before I put them on the waffles. So I just did the second batch. It's frying, and I redid the same steps that I did before, like I showed you guys. And I'm just gonna keep doing it until I finish frying my chicken. While you guys wait for the chicken to cook, you could drink a little. Pinkies up. We're just frying. It smells so good, guys. I'm excited. By the way, this is the first time I'm ever making it, so we'll see how it comes out, but so far, we're doing okay. We're doing okay so far. I'll let you know how it tastes. I'll be honest. Don't you guys worry. If you guys want to make these chicken and waffle sliders, I'll write the ingredients. By the way, sorry that my dogs are barking. They're going a little crazy right now. But anyway, in the description I'll write all the ingredients, and I'll probably write the steps. If not, I literally put all the steps in the video, so just watch the video and you'll find out how to make it. Make sure that when you guys are frying the chicken, you don't stand too close to it because it does pop. So you got to be careful that you don't burn it. Come on, dogs. All they do is bark. I'm so sorry, guys. But anyway, like I was saying, don't stand too close because it pops and you will burn yourself, and it does hurt. So be careful, please. So guys, I finally finished the chicken. I only made a little, but now I'm just gonna push the oil off. And make sure you guys don't put the oil down the drain because it does clog it and it will ruin your sink. So do not do that. Okay, so next I'm just gonna put the butter in the microwave, and I'm just gonna melt it a little bit. So my butter is done. All it took was 5 seconds and it was completely melted. So now I'm just gonna open this and I'm going to put them in the toaster. So once I put this in the toaster oven, we're just gonna start the process of building and putting together the chicken and waffle sliders. Okay, so now my waffles are done and I have everything assembled. And I'm just going to start building my mini chicken and waffle sliders. They're not so mini. I probably should have cut them a little bit smaller. So I might need to use like 2 of the waffles instead of using 1, but that's okay. We'll make it work. We're just gonna brush it with some butter. Then we're gonna take, should I do this one? It's a little. Then we're gonna take the chicken, pour some syrup on it. It's a lot. And then we're gonna take the other half, put it on. And if you want it to like hold together, you could just take a little toothpick and put it in the middle. And this is the mini chicken and waffle slider. If you want, you can even drizzle more syrup on it. It's bomb. You guys gotta go try this and make this at home. And leave a comment down below and let me know how it is. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, if you like these cooking videos, let me know down in the comments. And I'll probably start making more cooking videos. We'll do a little cooking with A. So yeah, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.